How's it going, everybody? It is your boy Stas here. So in this one, we're going to break down SoFi stock, go over the charts, how the stock did today, my thoughts, and of course, some key levels that I'm looking at right here moving forward. But before we do that, don't forget to hit the like button and to subscribe. And of course, if you want some free money, who doesn't like free money, guys? Don't forget to get up to 16 stocks from Moomoo as well, each up to $2,000. Check out the details, link down below. I appreciate you guys as always. And with that being said, let's dive into it. So check it out, folks. SoFi stock today ended up going down about 4 cents. Well, I guess exactly 4 cents, down about 0.4, almost 0.5%. So not a crazy day for SoFi stock, but it did have a slight red day as all the indexes, except for I believe the NASDAQ, went down. Yeah, the NASDAQ went up 0.1%, but we had the Russell collapse today. The S&P went down about 0.4. The Dow went down 0.6. So we had a red day overall. The VIX went up about 1.4%, and we had SoFi, like I said, down about 4 cents, or exactly 4 cents, down about 0.5%, as we have the futures currently down even more, which might lead to more red tomorrow, guys. Who knows? But as of now, SoFi is trading in the mid-high $8 range, and it is down about 20 cents from where it was on, I think, Friday morning, right? Yeah, Friday morning it was at $8.93, almost $9. So we are down slightly from that point. You guys can actually see here if I get this channel tool out, boom, you can see we're actually trading in this downwards channel on the 1-day, 1-minute chart, and we're still in that as of right now. And mind you, we actually put in a lower high this morning, which again, we failed to break out of the highs from yesterday, right? So SoFi at this point is struggling a little bit on the 1 day. I guess the bulls are struggling, not the bears, right? The bears are doing pretty well. But on the 5-day, let me show you guys this. Bulls are still arguably in charge, right? You guys can see we're holding higher lows here. Let me draw that out. Boom, higher lows. And if I clear the drawing set, we can see, let me clear the drawing set, we can see we have this wedge as well on the 5-day, 5-minute, right? We have higher lows being made, but at the same time, in the past 2 days, boom, lower highs as well. So I'm going to set a couple alerts here on SoFi. I'm thinking if we do break above 880 in the very short term, maybe 890. Let me actually put my alert at 890. Maybe we could start breaking out to the upside at that point, especially if we take out the highs from Friday morning, guys, being about 890, 895, 893 to be exact. And let me actually put another alert at $9. That's what I'm watching for tomorrow, guys. Let me do that. Mark is at or above $9. There we go. And let me show you this 4-hour chart. Somebody commented a couple of videos ago. Interesting comment, good insight. They kind of see what was it called? I'm blanking right now, guys. Crap. A cup and handle, right? I don't know if you guys see it. I kind of see it. But this person commented, and I'm like, all right, maybe I do see that, right? We have the cup right here, arguably, right? Followed by the handle. So cup, handle, and if we do break above that $9 level, which happens to be the 180 SMA resistance on the 4-hour here, that's where we could start really breaking out. But to play devil's advocate, we also have people saying, wait, isn't that a head and shoulders? It arguably is as well. You guys can see the left shoulder's right there, the head's right here, and this could be the right shoulder if we fail, big if, but if we do fail to break above that, $9 level, which I've covered time and time again here in this video, guys. So yeah, my alert set at $9. If we fail to break again, this could be happening, something similar to that. Maybe not so dramatic or that as dramatic as that, trend line that I just drew. But if we start dumping down, we get rejected, that right shoulder starts playing out, we could be going high sevens again, low eights, maybe mid sevens, totally possible. So keep your eyes on that on SoFi. But of course, I'm leaning more towards a breakout. I'm bullish on SoFi, guys, full disclosure. So I'm leaning more towards a breakout above 905. But of course, as always, time will tell. Nothing's guaranteed. I'm not a financial advisor, and I'm not telling you guys to go out there and buy the stock, guys. That's the last thing I'm doing. You guys got to do your own research, as always. But that is kind of what I'm looking at right now after today's trading day, which of course yesterday was Labor Day. Today, was the first day of trading. So that's kind of what we're looking at here. And make sure to subscribe, guys, by the way, if you want to see more SoFi updates and stock market updates in general. This is by far the best channel for that. So make sure you guys do that and hit that notification bell. It's completely free of charge, guys. Come on. And let me actually see here what other stocks ended up moving today. I mean, again, we had a red day across the board except for the NASDAQ, which pretty much broke even. Let's be honest, guys, it only went up 0.1%, which really is nothing. So we did have a red day across the board, but stocks like Airbnb, man, look, Airbnb ended up tearing it up today, up around, let's see, 7%, continuing the breakout that we've been seeing over the past couple of trading days. You guys can see now we're holding this channel, bouncing off the bottom of the channel. And yes, we are overbought, arguably, but directionally, guys, there's no doubt we're bullish. So any pullback that Airbnb sees, I'm going to strongly consider it as, a trade. We also had Tesla go up today, which I made a video on earlier today, guys. Make sure you go check that out if you want to see exactly why Tesla ended up going up. And by the way, cheers. I'm going to get some water, guys. I'm freaking parched. Give me a second. To me, I don't know about you, but it looks like Tesla is on the verge of breaking out. Make sure you guys go again. Check out that video from earlier today. My alert's at 260. I'll leave it at that. Here on Tesla, we had GME and AMC both go up on the day. Pretty sharp bounce back for GME ahead of earnings, which I believe are coming out tomorrow morning, right? So make sure you guys be in tune for the video. I might make a GME video tomorrow. We'll see. It looks like earnings are, tomorrow after the bell. So keep your eyes on that. GME went up 4.4% in anticipation of earnings today, guys. And let's see. AMC went up, like I said, 4%, but this is still, heavily in the dumps. I mean, holy crap, guys. This stock went from $40, and of course, they did a 1 for 10 split. So think about this. $4 all the way down to $1 is what it dropped. I mean, $40 to $10, $4 to $1, right? After that split or before the split, either way. That's a drop of 75% almost. That's unbelievable. Now we are, consolidating arguably, but we're not seeing any signs of a breakout, at least as of now, quite yet. So keep your eyes on AMC. And of course, I'm not banking on a breakout, guys. This thing just keeps on getting hit further and further. So I'm approaching with caution, like you should with any stocks out there, guys. All stocks are inherently risky, right? I mean, some more than others, but there's risk all across the board. And let me see what else here, guys, before we do wrap up the video. Looks like CrowdStrike ended up going up 2.6%. This is actually a good one, and we'll wrap it up on this note. This is a good one to watch out for tomorrow, right? 2.6% green day in the midst of an overall red day. Pretty good, right? And we're noticing now we're at the resistance that we've been talking about for months here on the channel, guys, on CrowdStrike, which is right by 165 to about 170, which you guys can see we have an ascending triangle heading into that point, which if we do break 168, guys, I think CrowdStrike could be off to the races, and we'll leave it at that. So if you all found value, hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and don't forget to get up to 16 stocks for Moomoo, guys. It is free money. Use that link down below, or simply go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. Once you open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you get 5 stocks right off the bat, each of which could be valued up to $2,000, guys, and fund your account at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks, totaling 15 stocks, and fund it with at least $5,000, guys. On top of those 15 stocks for a limited time, the clock's ticking. You also get a free share of Google stock or Tesla stock guaranteed, guys. So get on it. Use that link down below. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you all in the next one.